Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing this look. This is appropriate for an everyday kind of a look, like you can wear it to college, office. However, you cannot wear this to a party. You can, if you are going shopping to a mall and everything, you can wear this look. So this is very appropriate, and I have done this look with only one brand with minimal of products, and you can totally wear this on an everyday basis. And if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So first I'll be correcting my face because L'Oreal doesn't have any corrector. I'll be using the Revlon color correct. I'll be using L'Oreal Base Magique for my primer, and this is a very good primer. As you can see, I'm almost over with this primer. I'll be using it to hide my pores. Whenever you are using a primer, just keep this in mind that you just press it so that your pores are less visible and they are filled in nicely, because that's the only purpose of a primer, to fill in the pores so that the oil secretion is less and your makeup stays on for long. So please keep this in mind that you always have to press the primer. I won't be using a foundation today, rather I'll be using a BB cream. This is a True Match BB cream from L'Oreal in the shade G2 Gold, because this is an everyday makeup look, so I don't want very heavy kind of a foundation or anything. So I'm using a BB cream which is going to give me a very light coverage. I'll of course use a beauty blender to blend it out. If you want to hide your dark circles, or want to highlight your under eyes, or want to highlight your high points, then you can always go for a concealer. So I am using True Match concealer. This is like totally upon you if you want to highlight your under eyes. So I like highlighting my under eyes. This is totally optional. If you want to highlight your under eyes, you can go for it. If you don't want, then you can skip this step and go to the next one. But I like highlighting my under eyes, so I'll go for it. Try not to blend your hair in your highlighter. Highlighting makes a big difference, guys. As you can see that this area is totally lifted up when I'm highlighting this area. As I was not having any brow product from L'Oreal, so I'll better use the La Palette Nude in the shade Beige from L'Oreal, and use the brown color from it to fill in my eyebrows. So you have many options in this palette, as you can see, from which you can choose according to your brow color. And I will be using the light brown shade, like I'll be using this shade right here to fill in my eyebrows, and I'll be taking an angle brush to fill it up. As my eyebrows are done now, I'll be moving on to the eyes. My eyes with the eyeshadow, and I'll be taking a fluffy brush like this, and I'll start off with the light brown color and place it, start off with this color and place it all over my lid. Now I will be deepening up my crease a little bit, and I like to take a dark color for that. So I will go for this color, this right here, a more darker brown color, and work in my crease. I'll not use too much of this eyeshadow and everything, and I'll just put the dark brown color under my eyes on my lower lash line. At least 3 coats of this Volume Million Lashes mascara. For my blush, I'll be using the L'Oreal, this is in the shade Blushing Kiss, and this is how it looks like. I have not yet used this one. I'll be using it for this tutorial. For my highlighter, I have discovered this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Powder Glow Illuminator, and this is how it looks like. So I'll be mixing all the colors and putting on the high points of my cheek, and let me see how let me see the color of it. I'll be using a duo fiber brush for this. For my lipstick, I have 2 options. This is Always Apricot from the L'Oreal Infallible range, and this is Rambling Rose from the L'Oreal Infallible range. So now, as we are going for an everyday kind of a look, I don't want the lipstick to be too bright, and as you can see, this lipstick is very bright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dab it in the center of my lips and then just spread it, so it gives a nice stain to my lips. So yeah, that's the completed look. You can totally wear this look to your college. You can, mix and match with things with this look and with the lipstick as well. I was having only 2 options, so I used them. You can also use a coral shade, and yeah, you can use the lipstick for your blush as well. So that totally depends on you. You can play around with the look. However, I think that this is appropriate for an everyday kind of a look. There's no liner or anything, and you can totally skip the eyeshadow as well. But according to me, this is an appropriate look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. You'll be helping me a lot, and I will be seeing you next time. Till then, bye.